A very good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves and keeping good health. The pandemic has come back with full force and we need to be extremely careful. Please follow all the COVID rules and stay at home. We shall continue with our online classes, and today I am going to summarize Chapter 3, Evolution of Transport System. In this chapter, we learned about how transport system evolved with time. The two most important inventions in the field of transport were the invention of wheel and the invention of steam engine. After discovery of wheel, man began going to different places. Voyages became common in the late medieval period because people had the curiosity to know about far away places. Some important explorers of this time were Vasco da Gama, Columbus, and Ferdinand Magellan. Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in India in 1498. Similarly, Columbus, an Italian sailor, discovered America in 1492. Magellan was a Portuguese sailor who went around the world, and as a result of these voyages, man's idea about the world changed. Voyages and discoveries, they brought a big revolution in trade. We also learned about modern means of transport. Modern means of transport can be divided into land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport consists of roadways and railways. Now there are two main kinds of roads, kacha roads and pakka roads. Kacha roads or unmetal roads are found mostly in villages, while pakka or metal roads are found in towns and cities. Developed countries have a network of highways or freeways connecting major cities. These are broad and straight roads, and each road is divided into two parts. One part is for traffic moving in one direction and the other for traffic moving in opposite direction. So these are called different lanes. They are multi-laned roads. Such roads help in getting higher speeds, and they are also safe to travel on. In India, we have many highways which connect major cities of the country. The Golden Quadrilateral road system connects Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. The Grand Trunk Road is an important road which connects Kolkata with Peshawar in Pakistan. So here you can see the pictures of GT Road connecting Peshawar and Kolkata. You can also see the Golden Quadrilateral and a picture of a highway. Railways also form a part of land transport. The railways were introduced in India by the British, and the first train ran between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. Trains are the most popular means of public transport in India. They are also useful in carrying bulky goods over long distances. Trains carry people and goods. They are very cheap and comfortable. There are some special. Now these are some interesting train facts. I'll just read through now, and when we come to the slides which follow, you can see the pictures of these trains. Rajdhani and Shatabdi in India are the fastest trains, and they have a speed of over 100 kilometers per hour. In Europe and North America, the railway network is also very well developed. The Channel Tunnel links France with United Kingdom. Transcontinental trains travel across the entire continent or connect continents, and some examples are the Trans-Siberian Railway and the Grand Orient Express. Now, TGV is the fastest train in the world, and it is found in France. An intracity railway system is called metro. Some cities in India like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, they have metro train system, while many cities all over the world like London, Tokyo, Moscow, and many more too have metro rail. Here you can see the picture of the Channel Tunnel. As you can see, this train passes under the English Channel and it connects United Kingdom with France. You can sit and examine these pictures and enjoy. Now this is the route of Trans-Siberian line, railway line, and you can see it stretches across Europe and Asia. Here you can see the Grand Orient Express, which runs between Paris in France to Istanbul in Turkey, and TGV, which is the fastest train in the world. Rajdhani Express and Shatabdi Express are the two fastest trains in India, and you can also see the metro rail system. Since ancient times, people have been traveling in rafts and boats. The discovery of steam engine brought a revolution in the field of water transport. Big ships are now run by steam or diesel engines. Ships are used for transporting bulky goods. Ships which carry only oil are called oil tankers. Transportation by ships is much cheaper than air or road transport. Here is a collection of different kinds of ships. You can see an oil tanker, a cargo ship, a cruise ship, and an ocean liner. And an ocean liner is a ship that has air-conditioned cabins, cinema halls, restaurant, and many other facilities. Cruise ship is mainly used for vacationing and for holidaying. These are some major sea routes. They are the North Atlantic route, the Suez Canal route, and the Panama Canal route. The North Atlantic Sea route links North America and Western Europe. It is the busiest sea route in the world. You can see the map which I have put here, and it will help you in understanding the route better. The Suez Canal route links the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. The canal was built in 1869 and reduces the time taken to go to England from India. The Panama Canal route joins the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. It was opened in 1914. And here, with the help of these maps which I have put here, you can see how the distance reduced. A person traveling from New York City to San Francisco earlier had to cover almost 13,000 miles. And now, when traveling via Panama Canal, this distance has been reduced to only 5,200 miles. The third kind of transport system that we learnt about was airways. The fastest means of transport is by air. Man was inspired to fly by looking at the birds. At first, he tried to fly using balloons, but in 1903, the Wright brothers of USA, they invented an aeroplane. It flew a distance of 37 meters in 12 seconds, and the first plane was called Flyer 1. Today we have very advanced aeroplanes, and they fly at a height of 10,000 meters with the speed of around 1,000 kilometers per hour. It can carry about 400 to 500 passengers at a time. And air transport is very expensive, but it is also the fastest means of transport. Today millions of people fly to different parts of the world every day using air transport. All the countries of the world and all the major cities are linked by air. Air India is India's international airline, and it carries passengers and cargo all around the world. Around the world, there are major international airports, and John F. Kennedy is an important airport in New York, while Heathrow Airport is in London. These are two famous international airports. Now this I am sure you are going to enjoy. Here you can see the pictures of different kinds of aeroplanes. There is a cargo plane, Boeing 737 and Airbus A380, but also so many other planes that I have put in the middle. You can go through them, sit and enjoy. These are the logos of some popular and important national and international airlines. So till we meet again with a new lesson, enjoy your lessons, keep learning, keep smiling and keep safe.